Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 test video. Today we're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui Sopmod M4. So the original, there's many variations but none quite like it. So this one, obviously we've done sort of a slight change on it. So the customer requested PTS grip, so we've fit one of those on there. CTR stock, and obviously the butt pad, and you know, obviously fitting the 1300 battery in the back here. Just remember, obviously next gen recoils, they don't have any tube here to fit any batteries because obviously they have a recoil system in it. So yep, so that's all done. Gold trigger here, full Prometheus level 10 build. The custom Magpul trigger guard there on there, so the enhanced version, and Gates Titan advanced MOSFET system for obviously the faster trigger response. It's got the R-hop for obviously the increased range, and TM cobalt motor, Laylax trigger pin, and that's pretty much it. Eagle 6 recoil spring in the back here, the gold bar here. Yeah, obviously all the rest of the Prometheus internals, and 363mm, you know, Tightbore barrel. So yeah, jam-packed build. We'll obviously do some tests now just to make sure everything's all going just before we post it out, and hopefully, obviously, everything's all great and all goes well. Do you like the feel of these grips? They're nice, aren't they? So FPS on this one was 347 on 0.2s and 272 on 3s. So just on there. Actually, the FPS was so good on this particular one, we had to fit the TM spring in there. It was just the combination of the R-hop and all the good seals and stuff. 70 FPS gain just from fitting obviously upgrade parts alone without a spring upgrade. Crazy reading. So. There you go. So hopefully everything's all good for you, and this is exactly what you wanted in the build. If not, please let us know, obviously, before we dispatch. Otherwise, any problems, let us know, and yeah, enjoy. Thank you very much.